Moving on to the slides, this is the first one where I'm going to tell you in brief what JSON Web Token is actually about. So JSON Web Token is actually a standard, provides a standardized format that is used to transfer claims between systems. So normally it can be any kind of information that a JSON Web Token could carry, but it's mainly for authentication purposes or session management. So the main three benefits of JSON Web Token is scalability, second is cross-domain authentication, and again it's stateless. So let's just move on to further analysis and information about what JSON Web Token structure looks like, and all of these things would be discussed by my friend Joe.
So next we have what we call as JWT structure. So what JWT structure is, JWT contains of three parts. That is the header, the payload, and the signature. Okay, so the header part contains the algorithm that is used to sign this particular JWT request, and the second part, which contains the payload, contains the user data that we initially mentioned about the claims. It contains the claims of that particular user, and then we have the signature part. Okay, in the signature part, what typically happens is the header and the payload, and along with the private key in the server side or the secret key in the server side is hashed together to form a signature, which is used to verify the integrity of the JWT token on the server side end. Yeah.
Okay.
So just giving you guys an overview about the token, what the token looks like. So if you have never looked into the JWT token, here's what JWT token looks like. So in this particular over here, you can see there are three particular parts of the JWT token separated by the full stop over here. So the first initial part, as we can see in the decoded format, we can see the algorithm which this signature is hashed. Yeah. And in the next part is the payload. This is typically the user data like user ID, the username, or some sort of other user data like is that particular user is an admin or not. So over here you can see that over here the token is issued by Redfox. The username of the particular user is user123, and if and we can see another parameter is admin that is set to false. And then we have the signature verify signature. That is over here it shows how an HMAC algorithm signs this particular request, what sort of hashing and how it is performed. Yeah. So that's it for the JWT signature.